Welcome back to another Android tutorial. My name is Zig, the program guy, and I develop apps. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to change the color on the action bar like this. Now for you to make your app more engaging, it's necessary to give it a perfect design in order to increase the retention of users. Okay, I'm going to show you how to change the color on the action bar in a very simple steps. Now all you have to do is to come over here to apps and expand app, expand regs, and expand values, then select colors. Then if you come over here, by default I think the color on the action bar is normally green color. Let's take the previous app we've launched before to see the colors. I think the colors were green. Okay, such as this one. You see the color on the action bar by default is normally green, and the one at the top is normally dark green. Okay, but for some reasons you wouldn't like to use this default color. You would like to give it a better color in order to improve the retention of users and to give it a professional look. Okay, so after expanding app, expanding regs, and expanding values, then selecting colors, you have to come over here and change the color here. So this is the already prepared color that are here by default, so you just have to come here and change the hex code of the color, or you can equally come here and click on this square colors, this square box here, or this square box. You can come here and select on the color and choose a different one of your choice. Okay, let's select purple. I like purple color. Okay, wait a minute, the first color here, this first color here is this one you're seeing here. The first color is this one, and then the second color here is this one at the top. Okay, let me make this one, the first color, to be dark purple. Okay, I select dark purple. Oh, I don't think that dark purple is too dark. Okay, so let me select the second one to be more lighter than the first one. Okay, so these are the two colors we are considering in this video. So let's go back to activity main and run the app so that you can see for yourself. You know, it normally takes time for the emulator to come online, so we have to wait for some minutes so that it will come online. So I'll just have to pause this video, so that it will save our time. Boom. Okay, I think, all right, here's it. Now as you can see, now the upper one is more lighter than this one. Okay, I think the upper one should be more darker. For me personally, I think the upper one should be more darker, and then the next one should be lighter. Let's go back to colors and see. Okay, this one needs to be lighter. So it needs to be lighter, and then this other one needs to be a little bit dark. Okay, let's run the app again to see. Let me pause the video to save our time. Boom. Now I think it's now looking more perfect. Now you can see this upper one is this one that contains our battery, network and whatever up here, time. Okay, you see it's more darker up here, but this second one is lighter. So whenever you want to change the color on your action bar, just come to colors, come over here to colors and change it. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand how to change the color on your action bar now. Please, if you find this video interesting, you can hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel before, please do subscribe to this channel.